Good afternoon, viewers. Assalamu alaikum, all my friends and family and friends. This is your host, Mohammad Tariq Hassan. Today, I'm going to share one more very tasty and spicy recipe with you guys. As you can see, I already got the goat leg. You know how fresh and you know big goat leg. For those guys who haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel so you can view our more recipes, and because we always try to upload very tasty and good recipe for you guys every week. So please subscribe my channel. So for this goat leg, we today we're going to make our marination. Okay, viewers, for the marination, we already got here all our spices. As you can see that, we got the chili powder, right? We got the coriander powder, we got the garam masala, we got turmeric powder, we got cumin powder, and we also have here black pepper and salt as per taste. And viewers, the measurement, as you can see, because this one is about more than 2 kilo lag, just about you can say 2.5, less than 2.5 kilo. So I just took about 2 tablespoon chili powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, and 1.5 tablespoon garam masala, and quarter or 1 spoon turmeric powder, and 1 spoon cumin powder, and about half a spoon black pepper and salt as per your taste. And we already got here lemon juice is 1 full lemon juice and 1 cup of yogurt. And in my last video I already showed this our ginger garlic cubes, already got it here. So okay, we just start our marination. So what we can do, we just put our lemon juice inside. I think you guys can good view for all my marination bowl. Okay, all right, viewers, and before marination, better what we do, we just cut our goat leg, deep cut. Okay, viewers, so now this one our goat leg, and we start like deep cutting. Very nice deep cut all over leg. सो दोस्तों, आज हम जो है अपना गोट लैग, बकरे की रान बना रहे हैं और आपके साथ रेसिपी शेयर कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो इसके लिए मैंने जैसा कि बताया कि मैरिनेशन हम पहले करेंगे, और मैरिनेशन के लिए हमने अपनी तमाम चीज़ें ले ली हैं, जो कि चिली पाउडर है, कोरिएंडर पाउडर है, गरम मसाला है, टर्मरिक पाउडर है, क्यूमिन पाउडर, ब्लैक पेपर और सॉल्ट, और साथ में लेमन जूस है, और जिंजर गार्लिक का जो हमने क्यूब्स की सूरत में लिया हुआ है पेस्ट, वो हमने लिया हुआ है, और योगर्ट है 1 कप। तो ये हमारा इंग्रेडिएंट है मैरिनेशन के लिए। और हम इसके बाद अब ये अपने बकरे की रान में हम कट लगा रहे हैं, डीप कट, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं। अंदर तक आप इसको कट लगा लें। डीप एंड नाइस कट। ओके, another cut. And then what I'm going to do, just left over the lemon juice little bit, put it inside our leg. So already put it lemon juice here. Put all the yogurt inside the lemon juice. And mix it up gentle. Then add ginger garlic cubes inside. And mix properly the cubes inside our paste. And we're going to add all our spices and make nice marination for our goat leg. Mix very proper way and make it good paste. दोस्तों ये मैरिनेशन हमारी तैयार कर रहे हैं, तकरीबन हो चुकी है। योगर्ट के साथ हमने तमाम अपने स्पाइसेस जो हमने लिए हुए थे वो मिक्स किया है, लेमन जूस मिक्स किया है, और जैसे बताया योगर्ट पहले ही हम डाल चुके थे, और इन सब को हमने करके इसको अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लिया है। और आप लोग इसको टेस्ट कर सकते हैं अपनी मैरिनेशन, इसमें कोई अगर नमक मिर्च कुछ भी आपके हिसाब से कम लगे, सो यू कैन ऐड यू गाइस। मेरी मैरिनेशन बिल्कुल मेरे टेस्ट के मुताबिक है, नॉट मच स्पाइस और not very mild. So I hope if you guys try at your home, you will like it. Okay, viewers, now start our marination. Put all our marination inside the leg piece. So दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कि हम अब अपने गोट लेग में मैरिनेशन जो है वो लगा रहे हैं, अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर रहे हैं। तो जो हमने जहाँ जहाँ कट लगाया है उसको, ताकि ये मसाला अंदर तक चला जाए, तो ये आपका बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी होगा। Okay, viewers, look, as you can see that we cover all our leg piece from top to bottom, from all side, cover with our marination. Okay, you can see that whatever the leftover marination, just put it all over leg piece. Okay, viewers, look, our marination, we already marinated our leg piece. All right. Whatever our leftover, we put it all in our leg piece. Okay. Okay, viewers, so we already marinated our leg piece. Okay, and better you leave it this marination overnight or few hours. And again, there are two choices. if you like, you can put it in your oven uh, or on charcoal. So I'm going to make this one on charcoal, and I'm going to leave this one for overnight into the fridge, right? And before, when I'm going to put on the charcoal tomorrow, so this few garlic cloves, just put it inside like this, right? Different places. Okay, like this. All right. We left overnight after marination. So now today morning I'm going to put it on the charcoal. As you can see that our charcoal is ready now, and it's gonna go stays here in our barbecue tandoor like this, and it will cook about hour and a half, and maybe 2 hours, and we'll check it out after hour and a half. Let's see. Okay, viewers, and I mix in my charcoal this wooden chunks, which is easily available in local shop, hardware shop, and where the barbecue stuff available. You can buy from there. And I explained already about this chunk, the flavor chunk, in my previous video, especially that video, the colorful chicken. So you guys can watch this video, so you will know about this wooden chunks, flavor chunks, Okay, viewers, so that's our goat leg, already cooked. As you can see that, oh, that's beautiful, our goat leg roasted on charcoal. Okay, and I'm going to taste how soft and tender, and this texture, all this. It's my bite. Beautiful spice, lovely charcoal flavor, and very soft and tender. That's a perfect. And the spices, beautiful. There's a whole chunk of meat. Very tasty and juicy. Beautiful, lovely, and that's our fruit salad. We can serve with our leg, this fruit salad. Very nice and fresh. So you can serve this leg with your rice, bread, salad, and if you like, you can serve like a sauce. Nice, very nice. This, so you guys must try at your home this recipe. You can cook on charcoal or in your oven, and you can marinate overnight or few hours before before you're cooking, and one of my new subscriber, Sherry, and she's been waiting for this video. So Sherry, that's for you, very yummy. And because you're vegetarian, as you said, so you can try my okra curry, very nice. And I'm going to upload very soon this video, so you will enjoy this video. Friends, दोस्तों, this is the video for goat leg. आप लोगों को दोस्तों ये पसंद आएगी, ये रेसिपी हमने गोट लेग को चारकोल में बनाया। पसंद आए तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा चैनल, और इसी तरह से आप देखते रहें। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर मिलेंगे कोई नई रेसिपी के साथ। जब तक अल्लाह हाफिज, गुड बाय।